All right, so we're going to be spraying this widebody Mustang today. This is going to be a challenge. We were having some issues yesterday with our sealer. Today, I think we got everything figured out. Hopefully, we're going to be able to overcome these little difficulties that we have. However, I've been aware since the beginning that doing this in a candy paint is going to be a real challenge. The reason of that is because whenever you spray a candy, you need to do even passes of the candy. Otherwise, you can create tiger stripes. And this body kit is kind of like funny. Has these offsets that are kind of weird to get to. That one's really not. This one we're seeing here is not so bad. You can actually spray it and it'll be okay. But this one that has all these weird offsets, it's kind of hard to do an even pass and just cover everything because we need to get the paint in there. So it's gonna be kind of tricky to get it in there without causing an extra layer of paint. But we're gonna try. We're gonna spray it. I think this is gonna be a challenge. It's these candy paints are not easy, and it's just something that I really wanted to do. I really like that color that I choose, and I'm excited about doing it. So today we're gonna find out. Hopefully it'll be good enough. The reason I'm doing this paint and this car like this is I want to be able to show people what we can do, and we might be able to start getting more cars in the shop. But this is going to be kind of like my presentation, so I'm just trying to do the best that I can. And so stay tuned. Thank you to all the people who've been following my build and that are commenting and sharing my videos. Thank you so much, guys, and stay tuned.